In this video, I am going to show you how to buy almost any type of antivirus online in a best and easy way. You can buy any antivirus in Amazon. To do so, simply scroll down this YouTube video and click on this link. You'll see a page for MCAFE antivirus. If you'd like to buy this, you can simply click on Add to Cart. If you don't have an account on Amazon, you can simply click on Sign In and click on Create Your Account. Now you can simply fill your name, email address and password and click on Create Account, and you will already have an Amazon account through which you can order an antivirus online. So now once you have an Amazon account, then you can simply type in search bar antivirus software. You can select this also. Let's select antivirus software 2021, and now you can see you can click on here to find best antivirus for you that is rated over 4 rating. Now you can click on any that you would like to purchase. So let me click for this. Now once you click on that, then you can click on Add to Cart. Now it is added in the cart. If you'd like to purchase anything other like Kaspersky, you can also add it to cart. Now you can click on Proceed to Checkout. Once you do this much, then you need to select your payment method. Now you can select any payment method that you would like to pay for and then click on Continue. Once you click on Continue, then you will need to follow this 2-step, which is extremely simple, and like clicking on bottom, like you may need to enter the shipping address after this. Once you complete that much, then now you will see your returns and order. If you click on returns and order, then you'll see your order details at here. You'll also get your email through which you have created account of Amazon. You can check on that also and install your antivirus in your laptop, PC or desktop and start using it. Now if you'd like to search for a specific antivirus, then what you can do is simply search for antivirus software and then scroll down and simply click on the brand name MCAFE. You can see only MCAFE antivirus is showing here. Similarly, you can go back and click on Kaspersky, and only Kaspersky antivirus will be shown to you. Now you can purchase any of these antivirus you would like. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, then I'll be more than happy to answer you in the comment section below. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.